Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. As the literacy and numeracy crisis among students deepen across the region, urgent appeals for Caribbean governments to collaborate to ensure better passes in mathematics and English. There are also calls for more investment in research and technology. Those recommendations were made at the recently concluded CXC Regional Education Conference.
Across the region, news headlines tell the tale. Trinidad and Tobago, Barbados, Antigua and Barbuda, Jamaica. The Caribbean has a big literacy and numeracy problem.
If strategically right across the region we all begin to pay attention to literacy and numeracy, our students will be better off for it.
At the recently concluded CXC Regional Conference, many teachers revealed that they're seeing students struggling to read and write at the high school level in their respective countries.
It's really begs the question that what is the link between reading and understanding and numeracy? And we're seeing such a big problem with that. And I think it starts at the foundational level. I think that we are missing something at the core levels. I'm talking early childhood, I'm talking primary level.
And I think that technology is playing a part in that. You know, we many moons ago had to read to entertain ourselves, and now entertainment is at the tip of their fingers. So we do have students that are coming in with different mathematical and literacy challenges.
And the statistics are stark. Only 39% of students in the Caribbean acquired a passing grade for mathematics in 2025. Cluster-based specialist in the Education Ministry, Kenroy Wilson, revealed that countries need to look beyond the students' physical capabilities and focus on what may be happening mentally and emotionally. In presenting the findings of his recent conceptual paper,
they do show that students with low motivation, they tend to perform not as well as other students. As far as it is concerning to Jamaica, further research is needed, but this lays the groundwork for figuring that out and getting the data. So normally in research, you move from a conceptual idea to an empirical study.
Also, CEO and Registrar of CXC, Dr. Wayne Wesley, also indicated that the regional body recently released the literacy and numeracy standards across the region and more interventions are in the pipeline. But more investment is needed.
We are looking at AI to drive a personalized program for students that are deficient in literacy and numeracy. We try not to the high school level. We try not to get in the preparation of students for examinations, because you can't be an examining body teaching and testing at the same time. But we see literacy and numeracy as foundational, and if we get that right, then more students will be ready to write our exit. The literacy and numeracy standards, that is out, but this IT software, the AI software, we're working with other partners. Hopefully they will take it on.
What the island has been trying to do is for our mathematics teachers at the secondary school to work with our primary teachers to tell them what are the gaps and how we can fill them, which is a little bit easier for us. It's 4 primary schools and 1 high school, so it's a little bit easier for us to collaborate.